Hello everybody, what is up? Today we are checking out Birds of Time by Enna Alouette in collaboration with PrettyPatterns. Now, I feel like that's a familiar name. I don't know where I've heard it before though, but regardless, this should be really fun. The last two songs we've heard from Enna have been absolutely incredible. So I'm excited to see what she's got in store for us with another original song, Birds of Time. Let us get right into it in 3, 2, 1, play.
We wander across the seas and oceans. You once said it's the place where we belong. It's better of a prophecy where orphans.
Hold on. She sounds like a different person. This sounds like a different person from the last two songs I've heard from her. Her range is incredible. She is way down. I wasn't sure if it was her singing because it does say PrettyPatterns. I'm assuming that's like the producer. But her voice is incredible. The range and the control in her range, absolutely stunning. Let's get back into this. I paused and we're only 18 seconds in. Let's keep going.
You know the truth. It's not the place we used to long. Oh, can't you see?
Yeah.
The universe never belonged to me. Birds of time.
All right. Oh, those backing vocals are incredible. Is that her doing the backing vocals? That's awesome. That is her. I think that is her. That's excellent.
Birds of time. Can you take me home?
Oh.
Birds of time. Can you take me home?
Dude, this piano, it's a simple piano lick, but it works super well with this ambient, emotional tone going over it. I love how she sings this part. And we've got these harmonies with her singing multiple layers.
Of time. Can you take me home?
Her voice is incredible. That was too fast. Oh, I wish the song was longer. It's such a beautiful tune. It's so emotional. Oh man, I feel my heart feels so. Man, oh, I just bumped into the mic. I am so sorry. I am disoriented. That was beautiful. That was. She sounded like a different person on like when she sang that line where it's like we wander. I'm sorry, my voice. I don't know why I'm trying to sing it like she did. I can't even compare. She sang that beautifully. Man, I feel so emotional after hearing that. That was less than 3 minutes. Man, I want more. Let me know if you guys would like me to check out any other songs, because you guys recommended this to me, and if you've got any more songs, anything like this, please send them my way, because this was absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching. Man, I will see you next time. Thank you so much.